Good afternoon, everyone. It's Kelly from Jolie Visage Skincare, and I want to do a tutorial today, and I want to emphasize the importance of treating the décolleté and on up into the shoulders. As you can see, I have some damage, and that is after wearing sun protection all summer long. It doesn't matter how much I put on. I sneak out and I garden and I wear it off, and we just get sun. So I want to show you how to reverse that, and it's good timing now that we're into fall. So I just opened up my sterilized stainless steel high quality Derma roller, and you don't need to be aggressive about the way you roll, but how we want to roll is we want to roll vertical, overlapping the passes. One of the things that you don't have to do and you have to remember is you don't have to draw blood. We don't have to go that aggressive, and it's really not very uncomfortable. It's actually pretty comfortable. So what we're really doing with the Derma roller is we're creating some trauma, because when we create a controlled trauma, our body's response is to protect and to produce collagen. So that's what we're doing when we're derma rolling. I know some people like to go aggressive because it's my décolleté and my neck. I'm just going to be gentle because I know that it makes a difference. So as you can see, I've got a lot of lightening to do because obviously I'm really light in the area that doesn't get any sun. After you're done with the micro needling device, you can spray quartz, or you can dip it in alcohol for about 5 minutes or so, and then just let it drip dry out in the air and put it in your closed container as soon as it's dried out. You can see that I'm getting a little erythema. I'm pretty red, so that shows me that I'm getting some really good circulation, a little bit of trauma. So basically it's just vertical, horizontal, and if you really want to make be a little bit more aggressive, you can also do diagonals. So, but for today I think that's good. Now, my second step, for those of you that are familiar with peel pads, this is a really unique peel pad because it contains salicylic from the birch tree, lactic from milk, and mandelic. Mandelic is really amazing. It's from bittersweet almonds, and you're gonna feel some tingling when you use this peel pad, and you want to feel some tingling. You're going to get great results with this peel pad, and it goes a long ways. It's full of product. So it's brightening with the lactic acid. Lactic acid also hydrates. And then the Mandelic is a strong antioxidant, helps lift pigmentation, and the salicylic just refines the skin. Okay, so I've got a pretty good application there. Now my next step, let's see, do I have a spatula around here? Oh yeah, there's a spatula. My next step is to apply our Miracle Cream, epidermal growth factor, and I have the lab add collagen and oh, it's beautiful. It's it's collagen, and it also has epidermal growth factor, and it has rosehip. Now what I like to do is I like to use my little my device, my RF device, after I massage the EGF Miracle Cream. And what I do is I put in one more layer of Miracle Cream, and I set my my RF device on heat, and I will sit and work that into my décolleté and neck, or when I'm addressing my face, I'll use it on my face as well, because the Miracle Cream, the main reason I love this cream so much, I completely forgot, I had a brain fade, is we added retinol to it. So when you think about a really safe retinol, Wiley, no honey, when you think about retinol and the fact it's going into those little tiny punctures, EGF, epidermal growth factor, rosehip, and it's got sea kelp as well. This product is just beautiful. So it thickens skin, it tightens it, it brightens it. Layered over those few products, the pad, using the pad over the microneedling, and then the Miracle Cream. I'm gonna lift my décolleté, and I'll see a difference in probably 3 weeks. And I'll do another video to fill in and show you the progress. One thing I forgot to add is the lactic acid treatment. You know, you can play around with this. You can just do the 2 products I showed you with the pads and the Miracle Cream over the microneedling, but I always get carried away. So I'm just adding a little bit of lactic for brightening and hydrating right over the Miracle Cream. So anyways, that's a really great treatment. I think one thing we have to remember when we get to be in our 60s and 70s is to have a lot of confidence in our knowledge, what we've learned from our mistakes. You know, we're a culture that is really centered around youth, and I don't think I would trade this age that I'm at now for anything. I feel like I have the wisdom to make good decisions, and I want to embrace my age, and I want to feel really good about myself, and I love product because I can share it with you. I try to find the most amazing formulas so that I can offer them affordably to my clients and to people that want to make a difference in their skin. Some of these products, you know, the competitors, they'll sell them for $200 a jar, a bottle, but I'm a pretty conservative person. So the joy in my position is being able to offer products that have a lot of activity. They're used at our spa for our skin treatments, and they're going to make a difference, or else we're not going to have them formulated. So anyways, I'll give you an update soon on my décolleté and my neck. And I really appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, just hit the bell and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.